Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can really completely transform your keto journey. Biohacking with tech tools. Whether you're just starting keto or you've been at it for a while, these three powerful tools can help you burn fat smarter, not harder. Let's jump in. Point number 1. Let's speak about the continuous glucose monitoring. First up, continuous glucose monitors or CGMs. These were originally created for diabetics, but now keto enthusiasts are using them to dial in their fat burning strategy. Here's the deal. CGMs give you real-time feedback on how your body responds to food, stress, and even sleep. Why does that matter for keto? Because blood sugar spikes can knock you out of ketosis, and you might not even realize it. With a CGM, you can say, wow, that cauliflower pizza spiked me, or that meal kept me steady. It's like shining a light on your metabolism. Try pairing your food choices with the data you're seeing. Over time, you'll spot patterns and adjust your meals to stay in ketosis longer and more consistently. Point number 2, ketone breath analyzers. Ketone breath analyzers are non-invasive devices that measure acetone in your breath, an actual byproduct of fat burning. Forget the finger pricks or expensive test strips. Just breathe into the device and it tells you if you're in ketosis. You can check it each morning or before you work out to see how your body is adapting. What I love most, it's instant feedback and super motivating. Seeing those ketones rise tells you your efforts are paying off. Point number 3, keto tracking apps. Finally, let's talk about keto tracking apps like Carb Manager or Chronometer. Aren't they just about counting carbs like a lot of people think? Well, these apps track your macros, hydration, weight, sleep, energy levels, even mood. The best part, many of them sync with CGMs and breath analyzers. That means you're not just guessing, you're looking at clear trends and getting personalized insights. It's like having a keto coach in your pocket to keep you on track, tweak your plan, and celebrate your wins. So there you have it. These tech tools that can take your keto lifestyle to the next level and higher. Continuous glucose monitors, ketone breath analyzers, and smart tracking apps. Try one or try them all and watch how more dialed in your results become. If this helped you, drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try and have had experience with. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching and happy biohacking. See you in the next video.